Hey, Tom.
Hello.
What are you doing? Being a working man?
Yeah, and I do a good job.
You're doing a great job. What are you shoveling?
Snow.
Are you making a path for Yogi?
What?
Did you make a spot for Yogi to go potty?
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh my gosh. Look at this. October 29th,
Now I can see the grass.
2011. I know. And it's like a blizzard. And this guy is in heaven.
Mommy, can you call Daddy?
Yeah. Can I just ask you a question?
What?
How come you're so handsome?
Because my kid kept saying that for hundreds of times.
Because you're a kid? Yeah.
Look, Daddy.
Daddy, look.
Let me see. Wow, buddy. You are doing a great job.
And you know how that's good?
Good job, bud. Now Yogi's going to be able to go out there and go potty.
Tommy, can you wave bye-bye?
He's hard at work.
He's hard at work. Let's get one more shot. I mean, look at this. This is just insane.